Hi everyone, it is currently the 16th of February 2015. Meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you today, and time now for an overview of everything going on out here across the Western Pacific and Eastern Asia today. Just a quick look for all of you that are following the weather patterns, at least at this time. And what I can tell you is it is a very classic February setup across, well, much of the region. What we have is a low pressure area sitting off the east coast of Japan. That's been pumping in that cool air around it. Another low following right in its wake. Very classic for a winter pressure pattern. You have one low, a high right behind that, and then another low forming up. And look back here, even another low pressure system right after that. That's going to be bringing a couple shots of snowfall there towards Japan. And then the northeast monsoon really just dominating much of China down through Taiwan and the northern Philippines. And then the remnants of Invest 95W. I'll start with that. As far as the details, and what I can say, this really is a very weak tropical wave. It's situated just towards the east of Mindanao. I do expect it to continue to track off towards the west, and it is going to bring some scattered showers to southern portions of Mindanao, even extending down here towards northern Indonesia. But for the most part, this is really a non-event at this time as far as a organized tropical system, but it still could cause some localized flooding as far as these rain showers, some of them building up right near the immediate coastal areas. And then eventually, this is going to interact with the northeast monsoon that could bring some more scattered showers across much of eastern Visayas through Luzon. But as far as the bulk of that be rain showers, good news is staying farther towards the south. That keeps the Coriolis off of it, so it doesn't have time to really organize. And most of it staying out to sea and away from southern Mindanao. You have Davao out there, and definitely if this area in the purple was overhead, it'd be a different story. But that's really all we're going to talk about on that area. Tropics staying quiet outside of that. Northeast monsoon reigning in supreme here around the eastern periphery of a high pressure ridge coming in from the north, but also even extending down through the South China Sea. We're still seeing some scattered showers across eastern Vietnam down through Thailand, but for the most part, it's just staying in that drier weather, especially out to sea. Back towards the north, let's talk about a low pressure area now moving across, well, western Japan. It's been bringing some scattered showers today. This is actually going to develop on our Tuesday as it does move across western Japan. Also off towards the north, we do have another low pushing through North Korea. That's going to bring some widespread snowfall. But as you can watch this, it actually moves over the Kuroshio current just off the coastal areas of the Kanto plain. It starts to deepen up, and that's what's being indicated here by the pressure lines. That's these isobars right here. The more you see, especially the tighter the tighter together, the higher the winds are going to be. And as we look at this move off towards the northeast, it really starts to deepen. That means more winds basically around this, but also more lift and more instability. And that's exactly what we're going to be seeing across the Kanto plain, basically starting Tuesday night through Wednesday. Now, I do expect this to be way too warm for any snowfall in the Tokyo area. Most of it's going to stay to the higher elevations, but it still is going to be a day throughout the day on Wednesday. You're going to have an umbrella nearby until this eventually works its way a little bit farther there towards the east and things start to clear up, and then the CFX snow machine really starts to kick back in before the next low moves in out of Korea. But at least for now, that's going to be the big storm system of the week, I would say, at least for midweek, lingering off the coast of Japan. Because back towards the west, and even down towards the south, for those of you in Okinawa, things are going to be staying mostly dry for now. Northeast monsoon continuing to dominate much of China, that is. You're going to be looking at some hazy conditions for the most part as this high pressure does continue to dominate. And then down towards the south, moisture wrapping around the southern periphery of that high is going to be making its way in around Hong Kong, especially just farther inland into much of Guangdong province. You're going to be looking at some scattered showers. But that's really the most of it, guys. All right, that's a quick update for you. 4 minutes long. I haven't done one of these updates actually in nearly a week now, so I figured I'd put something out there. And definitely, if you want to follow along more, check out the website. We do have about 2-3 updates. Myself, Jonathan, and Michael. We've been putting out text updates, so if you just follow on YouTube, it'd probably better to check that out. And also on our Facebook page, where probably about 5 to 10 posts on average a day, just various types of weather across this region, and that's a great place to get your information. All right, thanks again for watching here at WesternPacificWeather.com. All right.